Okay, let me go to classrooms. Ah, ilan na po ang nagawang classroom ng DPWH for 2025? At ilan po yung projected na magagawa po ninyo for 2025?
Mr. Chairman, let me just get the information. For
Oo.
2025 po, ang ito ba no? Ang baba nito. So, for 2025 po, out of 1,700 na dapat gawin, 22 pa lang po ang completed at 882 po ang ongoing.
Okay, October na. Seka,
At meron pong 882 na not yet even started. So, it's a very deplorable rate of only 15.43%.
exactly. So, ito po kasi yung ito yung resulta ng mga issues ho natin with the agency, our issues with flood control. Isipin nyo po, Sec, naging priority ang flood control for the past year, no? As a national infrastructure. If you look at the budget, practically 1/3 ng budget ng DPWH dapat sa flood control. At ngayon tinanggal na yan. Alam natin, maganda po yun. But when you look at our classrooms, 22 completed for 2025 is not even, you can't even explain that, di ba? Hindi mo yun, even just saying it, sumasakit po yung puso ko na 22 lang po yung nagawang classroom. Ang current classroom backlog ho natin ay 146,000. By 2028, if we continue at this rate, aabot ho tayo ng 200,000. No? So, Sec, anong gagawin natin dito? 22 classrooms ang nagawa po ng DPWH, October na po, 2025.
We will have to find a way to fast track it. But I think the more important question, Mr. Chairman, is bakit 22 lang no ang nagagawa? At yan po ay kailangan nating malaman at bakit ano ang cost ng delay, pondo ba, o proseso ba, kailangan po nating malaman yan. And I will, makikipagtulungan po ako kay Secretary Angara para mapabilis natin at maghanap tayo ng catch-up plan. Kasi po, hindi lang po October, it's magno-November na po, magpapasko na po. Kailangan po talaga mabilisan po ito.
Opo. So we currently have a classroom acceleration bill, Secretary Vince. This has been certified as one of the urgent bills. Yung plano ho dito ay ang pondo para sa classroom building. Tanggalin muna natin sa DPWH dahil busy ho kayo. Marami kayong kailangan asikasuhin. Marami kayong kailangan gawin. At ibigay yung pondo sa mga LGU directly para sabay-sabay pong gagawa. No? Secretary Angara is on board with this proposal. The chairman is also on board with this proposal. But what we intend to do is yung pondo para sa classrooms for this year, possibly maybe even, for next year, maybe even for this year kasi mukhang hindi rin magagamit, at dagdagan pa natin ng pondo mula sa flood control at sana po meron tayong chance ng makagawa ng classroom ng sabay-sabay. Secretary Vince, do we have may we solicit your opinion or support for this measure?
We are in full support of this measure, especially now na 22 pa lang po nagagawa ng departamento ngayong taon. Kailangan po talaga natin ng tulong. No? At hindi lang po mga partnerships with LGU. Tingin ko po, nag-usap na rin po kami ni Secretary Sani Angara tungkol dito. Tingin ko po kailangan mag-aggressive PPP din po tayo.
Yes.
Para mapagawa natin ng mas mabilis. Kasi po, at this rate, it's virtually impossible po na magawa lang po ng DPWH itong kailangan nating mga classrooms.
Yes.